My neighbor put her feet in water with garlic and this is what happened. Awesome! Consuming garlic can be a healthy habit because of its medicinal properties and high nutritional value. In ancient Greece, Hippocrates, a physicist and father of medicine, used to prescribe garlic to treat various diseases. Today, modern science has corroborated many of the benefits of this superfood. Throughout history, garlic has been used primarily for its medicinal properties and beneficial to health. Its use was well documented by all the great civilizations, including the Egyptians, the Babylonians, the Greeks, the Romans and the Chinese. For her great wonders she looks here what happened when she put her feet in garlic. Garlic is used in the kitchen and in medicine, as a substitute for many medicines. We tell you in detail the ways in which you will use garlic properly. The simplest way to remove acne and blackheads is by rubbing some garlic juice over the inflamed parts of the skin. This way the pimple shoots will dry quickly to disappear. Garlic is a powerful antifungal ingredient. These baths with garlic especially on the feet are great for health. The ingredients to use are 2 small garlic heads, a liter of water. Preparation: bring the water to a boil, remove the cascarita to the garlic, then chop it well in boiling the water and put the garlic in the bowl with the water, cover and let stand for half an hour, then cold liquefy and put that water in a punch where you can put your feet. It is preferable that the water is warm, while giving you massage in the legs. You can also mix crushed garlic with olive oil and massage your feet. This lowers inflammation and removes muscle and joint pains. Garlic perfectly purifies the blood, stimulates appetite, protects against epidemics or influenza and other respiratory diseases, promotes immunity incredibly. It is useful against anemia, for the treatment of chronic bronchitis. It helps the kidneys and bladder, cleanses the skin,